Alright guys, real quick. Picked these up at Lowe's. These are the gearless ratcheting set. Part number right there, 0785933 for the metric 7-piece. 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 17. I got both of them because they had them, so why not? Standard and metric. Also a 7-piece, and they have 3/8, 5/16, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, and 11/16. There is no sound whatsoever. These are really tight turning radius. Almost nothing to get a new bite on that fastener to move it. So these are another, special case. I don't think you want to put a whole lot of torque on these, but at the same time, I have that 3/8 gearless ratchet, and I threw a cheater pipe on it and stood on it, and broke a brake caliper mount bolt loose. So I don't know, maybe you could use these all the time. But yeah, they were on sale, 20 bucks. This was around the beginning part of the year when they were selling these. I don't know if they have any more of them left. If they do, they're a pretty slick little wrench. No forward, no reverse. Flip it over. They are, I think, see right there, 0 arc swing. And these are made in China. I thought they might have been Taiwan. They looked pretty good, but made in China. But 40 bucks for both sets. It's pretty good. I think originally they were like 40 or 50 bucks a set, so they were, half price or more than half price off. Of course, it was their end of the year sale, I think. But I have used these, and they've held up fine. I mean, they've done exactly what I wanted to do with them. So, but yeah, just that gearless, sitting there and twisting her back and forth in the hand, and not hearing anything. It's kind of freaky, but yeah, it works. So part number on this SAE set is 0785932. Like, comment, subscribe, love, hate. You want to send me something? hardknocksforge@gmail.com, and we'll see what's going on. Don't send me no panties though, because they never fit.